Hey everyone, thanks for watching JRaddy. Today we are going to unload, clear, and safe a Carcano rifle. We want to make sure we keep it pointed in a safe direction and our finger off of the trigger. Taking the bolt handle back, we're going to pull up and to the rear. Now, just because we have no rounds in the magazine well, we need to make sure there are none in the chamber. If we did have rounds in this magazine well, you could use your finger to pick them out. You could cycle the bolt to remove them. At this point, the rifle is clear. This firearm has a safety back here where you push it in and pull it out, and that safes the rifle, but prevents you from operating the bolt. We would want to do that if we were going to use a trigger lock, but the preferred method for securing this firearm is, as always, the cable lock. Insert your cable lock down into the magazine well and lock it. If we were going to use a trigger lock, we want to ensure that our pin is behind the trigger. If I can get that. And then we will secure it. As you can see though, with a lot of these older rifles, the preferred method is the cable lock. Once again, this is how to clear, unload, and safe a Carcano rifle. Thanks for watching.